and this is the aftermath of the Winter Wonderland yesterday. Alright, just landing back in Mason City, all done for the night. Our flight was canceled this morning and then pushed back to 11:25 p.m. Really didn't get here till like 12, so it's been a long day, but back in Mason City, gonna go grab something to eat. And you know what I've been thinking about doing? I've been thinking about doing like a long, crazy long word a day, like a sophisticated word. So might be doing that on a daily basis, we'll see. But other than that, I haven't really shot anything for today's vlog, so I need to fill it.